Welcome to Lingua Latina, Chapter 11, Lesson 1, Exercises. So here we have some practice with third declension nouns, body parts. These are all neuter, so notice the nominative and genitive are different each time. Remember the nominative, os, oris, so all the endings are going to be added to or. So you have os, oris, ori, os, ore, and crus, cruris, cruri, crus, crure, and corpus, corporis, etc. And you need for the plural, the nominative is going to be ora, ora, orum, oribus, ora, oribus. Crura for legs, crurum, cruribus, crura, cruribus, and corpora, corporum, corporibus, corpora, corporibus, and capita for heads, capitum, capitibus, capita, capitibus. So you need to know those that declension in the neuter, nominative and accusative are the same. Add the endings to the genitive stem. So let's give this a try. So in the human body, or on the human body, in the human body there there's not just one leg, but two legs. So we need the ablative here. So corpus, corporis, corpori, corpus, corpore is corpore. If I can get this to work. There we go. Corpore. Known, and now we have crus, which is neuter. Okay, and this is why we need to know our neuter rule, because the adjective unus a has to agree. So unus is masculine, una is feminine, unum is neuter. So here we have not one leg, so we need unum. Said duo, and we need now the nominative plural of crus, which I just went through it with you, and the nominative plural in the neuter ends in a, so it's crura, not two. They're not two legs. So pay attention to the gender rules here and the endings, and try the rest of those exercises. Here we have our vocab exercise. So in the human body, in corpore humano sunt quatuor. What are the four of? There's four membra, four limbs. Duo, we need the correct form of arms. Duo brachia et duo crura. So here the form and the ending. Pay close attention to those. Let's move on to, let's try this one. In brachio, what is on the arm? There is a manus. On the leg, in crure, there's a foot, pes. Okay, let's try exercise 3. Okay, question and answer. Quot membra sunt in corpore humano? How many limbs are there, or parts are there, in the human body? Well, we learned in this passage, quatuor sunt. Quatuor membra sunt in corpore humano. In corpore humano sunt quatuor membra. Bene. Number 2. Quid est in brachio? What is on the arm? In brachio, what is on the arm? Is the manus. In brachio est manus. In brachio manus est. Bene. And in crure quid est? What's on the leg? In crure pes est. There's a foot on the leg, or pes in crure est. Bene. Okay, so let's look at our last exercise here, exercise 4. Here we have adjectives that end pulchric, ra, rum, like pulcher, pulchra, pulchrum, beautiful. Aiger, aigra, aigrum, sick. Niger, nigra, nigrum, black. And ruber, rubra, rubrum, which is red. Those are masculine, feminine, and neuter adjectives. So let's try this first one here. Match up the adjective with the noun. Sira, feminine. Pulchra, non est, is not beautiful. And her nose, nasus, which is masculine, is not beautiful.